बॉम्ब इज कि आप परफॉर्म करने गए और कोई नहीं हंस रहा, ठीक है? एंड दैट हैपेंस लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट दिस जर्नी एंड इट्स सच एन एक्सक्रूशिएटिंगली पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस.
So hello everyone, I am Akshat Gupta. I am second year student in mathematics and computing. I am the logistic head here at Shakespeare NSUT. So now this is a third workshop, and the purpose of this workshop is to get you guys familiarized with open mics. Now for that we have Rahul Girdhar sir here with us, and he has an excellent corporate portfolio, and along with that he has been performing open mics. He has more than 5 years of experience in that field, and he has also served as the president of the Toastmasters Club of New Delhi. He has performed in more than 200 open mics and multiple ticketed shows, and he has also won numerous awards in humorous speeches. So here we have Rahul Girdhar sir. Over to you, sir.
Hi. Thank you, Akshat, for this wonderful introduction. And thank you, Shakespeare community, for having me here, for sharing my experiences, first of all. And the basic protocol of this session would be to have more people live with me, because I don't want to sound it like an office meeting where I know people are not interested in listening to me, but they just listen to me because I'm the boss. So, मैं उसको, I just don't want to be, I don't want it to make like an office session. So till the time we have at least 4 to 5 people here on video and audio on, I don't think we'll be able to have a productive session here. Although I can just say as if I'm talking to a wall, which I don't want. Okay, so please, I request. I'll take another 30 seconds to request you people to just switch on your video and audio along with, so that we can just chat. Okay. If you're pursuing a career, I don't think, or if you're interested in something, maybe it'll be better if you could just come and talk rather than just listen to me. Okay. So that's the whole point that I'm trying to bring here. Are these guys this much shy, या फिर ऐसे मेरे को देख के याद जैसा हो रहा है, अक्षर?
सर अभी जूनियर्स है सर, अभी निकला नहीं है.
अरे जूनियर है तो मैं कोई लेके थोड़ा चला जाऊंगा फ्यूचर पे यार.
हाँ यार, इतना मत डरो.
It's a comedy session, so it's like a talking about comedy, so people have to be really open up. So the first thing we do while we go in a comedy show is to do a little bit of crowd work, where we make the idea of crowd work is where a person comes up, a comic comes up and talk to few people, roast them, maybe talk to them, get to know about themselves, and then throw some jokes about them, so that the entire set of audience becomes comfortable. And that's the whole thing we are trying to do here as well. Okay, so okay, कितने छोटे हैं क्या सब? Everybody is like क्या 10 and less than 10 year old है क्या सब लोग?
नहीं सर, फर्स्ट ईयर
तो हाँ सबने ट्विटर पे सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रखा होगा ना. सबको जब वो पता है तो इसमें बात भी कर सकते हैं. ये भी एक करियर की तरह परस्यू करना है इसको. तो यू कैन नेटवर्क इश्यूज सर, कोई बात नहीं, चलो सबका नेटवर्क इश्यू आएगा अभी काम के टाइम पे. तो ऐसे मैं भी अपने बॉस से बोलता हूँ मीटिंग के टाइम में नेटवर्क इश्यूज. बट ठीक है. So the idea about open mics is that how did it start? I'll tell my journey. See, every person has their own journey. Okay, I don't believe in comparisons together. It's a one man game. You came here alone, you will go alone. So it's your journey, and everybody has their own journey. You talk about comedy as an art form, so it's about bringing the truest expression of yourself. कहते हैं कि a person becomes really successful when they have got their voice. It's a comedy jargon, which means that when you have been able to attain the truest expression of yourself on the stage, as you are literally, you behave in a natural in a natural state. So usually it is said कि जैसे आप 4 दोस्तों में बैठ के बातें करते हो, तो वैसे ही if you are able to portray the same image on stage while you're performing comedy, that's the ultimate aim which you want to achieve. Okay, it's also said that in comedy you talk about things which you really want to say rather than what the crowd wants to hear. Okay, that is second thing. Third, if this session, I'll just stick to the core objective of this session, is how to get into the journey of open mics, which is a sort of gym for comedians. Okay, open mic is a platform where people go and try their material and before they release their material on YouTube. So how does this journey work? So if you really want to get into stand-up comedy, the basic thing, it's a very democratic environment. Okay. So all you have to do is prepare a 4 minute of thought, which prepare 4 minutes of your script, which you think is really, really funny in your head. You might be bombing completely while you go on stage. And that happened. Okay, that's happened. Bombing is something bombing. So there are two jargons here again. Bomb is कि आप perform करने गए और कोई नहीं हंस रहा, ठीक है? And that happens a lot of times when you start this journey, and it's such an excruciatingly painful experience कि आप कोई काम करने गए और उस काम पे आपको बिल्कुल ही उल्टा रिएक्शन आ रहा है. It almost sounds like आप TED talk दे रहे हो without any reaction, but you have gone there to make people laugh, and it's a painful experience, and that happens in the initial time many times. Okay, you go through that painful experience. By the time you are through with 100 open mics, you learn what are the nuances of comedy. You learn what are the tools which make things funny.